Hi, I'm Bill. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? No, I mean it. I do tips all the time. So today, I'm just going to be saying, I see these I see all these posts on Facebook asking, can I sow this? Can I sow that? When can I grow these seeds? Now, we're in September 2022 and it's too cold now. The frost is due from now all the way. Now you think if you was a small little tiddly plant, would you like to be nice and cold? No, you'll shrivel up as well, wouldn't you? Yeah, so basically it's not the time to sow anything now. Now I'm gonna do tips like this every week, and I do them all the time as well, so watch my videos till the end because you never know when I'm going to produce a tip. So subscribe and like this video. See you soon.